Hello dear students, welcome you once again on your YouTube channel English Tycoon. Dear students, in today's video we are going to discuss about a very important writing sections, that is article writing of class 12 CBSE. See, this writing sections is also asked in ICSE board, so this video is going to help everyone, whether it is ICSE, CBSE or UP board or ISC board students. So everyone can watch this video, and if it is not in your syllabus, even though you can watch it, because article writing is a skill that you can utilize, that you can use in your at higher level when you are going for any competitive exam, or you are going to write something, and then this is skill required for writing. So in today's video we are going to have a complete discussion of article writing. We will discuss it completely thoroughly, each and everything I am going to tell you, the format, the way we write, and I'll give you example also along with the answer, so that your concept, your doubts would get clear about article writing. So let's start without wasting our time. Go ahead and get all the details. So dear students, see, article writing, it is part of your English subject, and it is in writing section, and this is a very important topic in writing section. Now there is two things that you should know, that why board has included, CBSE has included this question in your syllabus, what is the need, why it has been included in your syllabus. See, it has been included in your syllabus in writing section, so that board can check your skill. You are in class 12, are you able to express your feeling, are you able to express the data idea, are you able to discuss or write about any topic very clearly and in a very clear and proper way, with by using some fact and data. This skill is going to be checked by board by giving this question. So let's start discuss each and every point of this article writing, so that we must not do a single mistake in the exam, and so that we can score all the marks awarded in this question. So let's start. First we should try to know what is article, and then we'll go ahead. See, article, see, very simple. What is article? See, article is a writing work published in a print or electronic media. It may be for the purpose of propagating news, researching result, academics analysis, or debate. Generally it is a piece of writing that published in newspaper or magazine. See, what is written here? Article is a written material. In simple language you try to understand, article is a written material that highlight, that tell about a single topic, a single thing, and it give details, all the details related that point or that things which is being discussed in an article. For example, if you are discussing, if I say write an article on water, then you are going to tell each and everything related water in your article. Are you getting the point? So now article is written in your syllabus. It is in two way. It is asked to write in two way, either in magazine article or article in newspaper. So we will discuss these two only in the video. So I hope it is clear to you what is article. Article is a piece of writing based on one topic, and it gives each and every detail related to the topic, and it has a word limit also. See, actually there is no limit, it depends on the question how much it is asked, but for you it is 152 to 250 maximum, and in board it is asked, it depends on the board that how much it is asking, but normal format is 150 to 250 for you people. And we have to complete our article only in that word limitation. You are not supposed to exceed, you are not supposed to write 300 or something. Okay, You are not supposed to write less also, so we have to, while writing, we have to be careful about that also, that we are maintaining the word limit also. It should not be so much extra, it should not be so less also. Now let's see the format of article writing. This should be, and now one thing is clear, what is article. Now second thing is format writing. If format is clear, you are not going to do any mistake, which is often done by the students. See, format of article writing. Article writing consists a few points. If you remember them, you will not do any mistake. First thing, in article, when you write, there is a heading. Heading means the title on which, the topic on which you are going to write the article, that will be your heading, and it will be written at the center. I will be showing you just after this. It will be written at the top and the center, at the top in the center of your answer sheet, and it should be catchy, it should be in good, written with good word, so that it should draw the attention of the reader. Second point is byline. Byline means just below the heading, at left hand side, you are supposed to write your name. You will write by, and after that you will write name only, and then body of the letter. Means first point in the format is heading, second point is your name, which will be written at the left hand side. I will be showing you here just after. See this, I am having format also for you. See, like this, you will write heading here, and this is your first point, then you write by, and you will write here name, and after that there will be third point, and what is that, I will explaining you here. See, after that body, third part is start body. Body means it is the whole set of content of your article, and this content, the matter which you are going to write in article, that can be divided into three paragraph, you can see. Alright, 3 to 4 paragraph, you simply divide in 3 paragraph, and you can write so many paragraph. There is no foundation at the word limit, but for understanding, you keep that first paragraph is going to tell about define the topic in article, define the topic on which you are going to write the article. See what is written here. It is always prescribed that you begin with a short introduction of the topic. I told you in the first paragraph you are supposed to give the introduction of the topic. For example, you are writing about water, you are writing about science. If you are writing about water, you have to tell, define what is water. Clear? And then you will go ahead. If you are writing about education, an article on education, you are supposed to define education. If you are writing about science, you are supposed to define science. If you are writing about computer, you are supposed to define computer, or you are supposed to write such a quote which define computer or define your topic, and then after you will move ahead. So first paragraph going to be introductory paragraph, in which you are going to give definition of the topic, or you are going to define the topic, or you are going to write some quotes related to the topic, so that it will be very effective, or will tell the topic, about the topic on which you are going to write the article. Simple thing, keep in mind. First paragraph will be introductory and explaining paragraph about the topic you are given, and second paragraph will be, see, paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. Now this part can be written either on 1 or 2 paragraph. It depends on you that how many paragraph you want to include, but you are bounded by word limit also, so you have to keep in your mind this point. You are required to do a complete analysis of the subject matter in question. It may include in how many forms does the problem exist, and you are required to mention the various possible type. Listen, I am telling in second paragraph, this line I have taken only to give you some idea. I am telling you from my side, you just try to listen my word, you will get everything. Okay, see, in second or third paragraph, second paragraph will be detailed information about the topic. Suppose you are writing about water, you will write what is the benefit of water, what are the things are made from the water, how it helpful for the human life, and what are the drawback also, if any. That all you have to mention in the second paragraph. That can include 2-3 paragraph. Clear? So second paragraph is going to give all the pro and con, merit, demerits, benefit and loss of the topic which is given to you for writing. This is all the detail, the same thing which I have told you. If you want to read it, you can go. I am moving ahead. You can stop the video and see this what is written. Same thing I told you, that each and everything should be written about the topic within the word limit. Fine. So one thing, remember that if you want to write a perfect article, you need to do the practice, because only by practicing you can do this. In one day you are not going to be expert in writing. Whether it is I am also not able to become expert in writing article in one day. It takes time. So you need to do practice on regular basis. You should write an article on one topic every day. It can be anything. You pick a topic and write. If you want to write an article on electricity, write on an article on electricity. You want to write on water, write on water, or pollution, anything, diversity. You can take some question from Google and from previous year, and you can write and practice. This is the only thing, the way to become expert in article writing. Otherwise there is no way. If you think that I will go in exam and sit and simply write, I am so sorry, you could not do that. You could do, but you will not get the marks, because you will make rubbish over there in the answer sheet, and teacher reads each and every point and while checking the copying, because we used to go for the copy correction and how we do and how it is did, or how we are ordered to do. That I am telling to you. You cannot make fool to a teacher by writing anything rubbish and you think that you will get the marks. So be alert, be careful while writing, and do the practice. Now let's move to the next slide. So this is, I told you, second paragraph will include all the thing, and third paragraph, means the last one, will be your concluding paragraph. Here you are going to tell positive notes related to the topic, positive things related to the topic. Suppose your topic is any negative point, for example, alcohol. Write an article on alcohol. So alcohol have a few positive side, more demerit, because there are some topics which are having more demerits, less merit, but there are more topics which are having more demerits and more merits and less demerit. So it depends on condition, or same thing. So accordingly you have to give a positive note at the end of your article. You must not give, you can give advice also, you can give your personal opinion also. You can write quote, some quotation from any book, anywhere, for proving your views, for giving your views, and in this way your article will get finished correctly. Now see, this is the format I made for you so that you can get idea whatever I explained. See the format. First you will write heading in the center, then you write by, and here you will write name, and you are not supposed to write any name. You are supposed to write same name which is given in your question paper. Everything in the question paper, you are not supposed to write any detail of your personal detail in the answer sheet. If you write, if you write, then definitely you are going to harm yourself, because your marks is to be deducted, because it is written in the question paper strictly. Second paragraph, starting paragraph, or first paragraph, or opening paragraph, whatever, or defining paragraph, whatever you say, means here you will define the topic on which you are writing. This can be 2-3. First paragraph can include 2-3 paragraph, 2 paragraph, 1 paragraph. It depends on you, but you have to see the word limit, so you keep it in 1 paragraph. That would be better for you. Second paragraph can include 2 to 3 paragraph. Inside a small 3 paragraph in second paragraph you can include, and here you are supposed to give all the details, positive, negative, benefit, loss, everything in a sequence, in proper way, and the last will be concluding paragraph. Here you are going to give a positive note, suggestion, the thing you want to prove your point to, all the things which you have written above, to prove it, and you have to give a proper and positive conclusion to your article. In this way your article will get finished, and this is the format of our article. I hope you have understood it quite well. Now see, this example I have kept for you so that you can get better idea. See, India is a land of diversity. Diversity means mixture of different material. If diversity means in India different religion, different system, different culture, language, everything is here. So that's why India is called a land of diversity. One way in which it make us feel proud of it and is the number of festivals we enjoy. Write an article 150 to 200 words on festival of India. You are and Karan. You are Karuna and Karan. Name is also given. So what is the topic for article? Festival of India, and through which you have to highlight the diversity of India. So how you write? See, here it is written Festival of India. It should be in the center. Here it is written. You don't worry. You will write in the center. And Karan, you will write here by Karan. By is not written here. You will write in this here by. Actually, I have taken it from Google. So whatever it is written, what I am telling you, you will write here. This heading should be in the center, and by Karan. Karan should be here by. And after that, you will start writing your facts. See what is here. First paragraph should be defining. So it is see how it is written. It is said that the greatness of a culture can be found in its festival, and India has proved every word of this saying right by being famously known as the land of festival. See the first paragraph only defining the festival, the topic on which you are writing the article. So this is the way you have to also use. First paragraph your article is going to define your topic, and after that you go ahead and tell each and everything related to your topic. See here, you can read it, you can take a screenshot of with this. All the thing which I told you, it is written here. See, every festival has social and religious and mythological value accordingly, and the Sahara has a great significance. Means everything is written here. You can read and you can do this yourself also. Let's go ahead. Now I will read the last one. See last one. So first one was introduction, second one was the detail, you can read yourself. Now third one, see, on this festival, people offer prayer to the deities, wear ethnic cloth and make merry with their near and dear ones. And Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid, Fitur, Baisakhi, Onam, Pongal, and Guru Purnima, Ram Navami and Durga Puja are some of the festivals that are celebrated with eminence deal in different part of India, with some of these being specific to a particular region. No wonder our country is a land of festival. So this is a very positive conclusion, and if you write like this, you can score, you can get whole marks in the exam without any doubt. Dear students, I hope you have got the point which I am trying to tell you. You got how to write the article, and now everything is clear to you. And if you want to be more clear, you need to do the practice. You can watch this video again, and if you have any doubt, you can write in comment box. I will definitely give your answer, and tell me on which topic do you want the next video. I will surely make it for you. And please do share the video with your friends in your friend circle, so that everybody get benefit from the video and show you. So see you in next video. Till then, you keep watching. Good luck and keep studying.
अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन, ताकि आपको मेरे सारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिले.